Nope, it's a Warbonnet.
What?
Oh, yeah. CP repair them in the 6200 series.
Oh, okay. That's the first time I've seen a BNSF unit.
No, it hasn't. We were at Hard Park, remember, a few years ago. They ran a BNSF train detour. BNSF units on. Are you leading a CP train?
Yeah.
Okay.
I wonder if that's CP2 on the BNSF. He must be slowing down.
Hey, that's the shot of the day, man. After this, I'm going to go for road. Yeah, we'll go stop. Yeah. Talking about the his power? Yes, we'll do that. Why don't you get in the car right now? Grease. So if I'm moving up against your car. Yeah, this is on 289.
Yeah, I thought there was one behind him, though.
There might be. I saw him lined up on this thing. I'm gonna have to do that. Get a box. That's a real good idea. I never thought about that. Get what? Get a box. The box illuminates the glare.
Oh yeah.
See, I have a cool illuminator for mine. I just put holes up. I can put the hole in the back of the box and bring all the wires out of it. Cryo reefers. That's what we're gonna do. We're gonna head to there. We're gonna head to Coast Road for that. Yeah, we're gonna head to Duplainville.
Real stuff at 2.
As soon as you get him, go and start my car up. I'll fold it up. We'll head to Duplainville.
All right.